Well, first of all, congratulations, everyone. You made it to the weekend. I hope you've got good plans, and I hope they take you outdoors because we're looking great. Tomorrow morning, they get you started with your cup of coffee on the front porch. We've got virtually no wind whatsoever. It's going to be in the 60s, maybe even upper 50s in spots. I am noticing that sunrise time get a little bit later. We're losing about 2 minutes and 40 seconds per day. So soak it up, Northeast Ohio. No rain. This is all clutter, ground clutter, so it picks up on bugs and dust. And I don't know if there's an infestation coming across the lake or what. Might want to close the windows. But overall, we're dealing with clear skies across most of the Great Lakes. The rain that we had earlier today along the frontal boundary now pushing down to the south. This looks ominous out towards the west. Don't worry about it. Not going to affect us this weekend. Eventually, this frontal boundary will. That would be Monday, Tuesday. But out ahead of that, we've got heat to deal with. A pretty warm day expected on Sunday. Pretty mild day tomorrow as we get in this air mass. But eventually, we'll replace it with some of that warmth that's out in Kansas. Until then, enjoy. We've got a nice north wind. It's going to go calm tonight. Still a decent breeze off the lakeshore, though. That is bringing in cooler air and a little bit less humidity as well. We've got temperature in the 70s in our cities. We're down to the 60s as you get towards more of the outlying locations. The one thing that really hasn't changed is the humidity. It's still pretty humid outside. We've got dew points that were in the upper 60s. They're now down into the mid 60s for most of us, exception Chardon. Someone's got I don't know, hair dryer on the sensor there. Feels pretty dry, but overall, we're going to be dealing with a little bit drier night, a little bit more comfortable. We're back into the 50s, as I mentioned. That wind goes calm. One thing we'll have to watch for tonight, patchy fog. There's been a pretty good signature last couple days on our National Design Mart hour by hour forecast of some of that fog. You see how it kind of, you get these little cloudy patches in here, especially out towards PA. But when we have the moisture, we have the temperature and the dew point when they equal each other, which they're expected to do in spots tonight, we're likely to have some dense fog in spots. So tomorrow morning, to get you started, that dense fog will burn off quickly for those that have it. Otherwise, we've got lots of sunshine, a very light breeze out of the north tomorrow. Temperatures will rebound nicely up near 80 degrees. Remember, you get in the sunshine, it feels a good 5 to 10 degrees warmer. So it will feel pretty warm if you're in the sun, but just downright comfortable by late August standards. Tomorrow night, a little bit warmer though. The winds are going to shift around to the south as that warm air comes in from the plain states. We'll stay dry on Sunday, maybe some high clouds around here, but look at the difference. Saturday 81, we're up near 90 on Sunday with late day clouds, and you'll notice that humidity is going to go up a little bit as well. Sunday's not the only hot day. Monday expected to be warm as well, up near 90. Some of the models saying low 90s. We cool down after that. We get that nice cool down we've been highlighting, and it's going to come at a price. We're going to see some showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could be on the strong side Monday afternoon, Monday evening, and then perhaps again on Tuesday on how it shakes out. The bigger picture with the National Design Mart big picture look. Here comes the frontal boundary. It'll approach. We're now late Monday. Notice the timeline above me. Some scattered showers and storms working in. Does that clear out as the Euro says? Do we have a dry day Tuesday or does it linger? I'm going to go pessimistic on that and say some of that lingers. And then we get this fall-like air mass next week with a big old Canadian high. Those are nice this time of year. You can see it reflected here in your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast. After the weekend heat, we bring in storms that end Tuesday and real nice conditions. 79, 74, 75. Beautiful end of the week. Labor Day at this point looking pretty seasonable, partly cloudy and low 80s.